In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a NunaPipa car seat onto your Qool stroller. So in my hands, I have the NunaPipa car seat adapters. It's a set and they look just like this. What you're going to do is insert these into the seat brackets. And you want the brand here etched onto the adapter facing outward. You're going to do the same thing on the other side, and it clicks right in. Now your car seat will click into the adapters. Now, to release the car seat from the adapters, Nuna's locking system is a little different. You are going to want to push on these side buttons, and you have to press down pretty firmly. Once you press down on those buttons firmly, you'll pull the car seat out. And to remove the adapters from the frame, all you have to do is push on this lever on the side, and they come right off. And that's it.